Can you believe some competitors in the roamer space expect you to take apart their roamers with little screws like this and put it back together? With the Mobibooth Cruise, you do not need to do any of this. We make it a simple click process. Takes you less than a minute to put together. I'm going to walk you through the Cruise M, which is our mirrorless camera plus iPad offering. We're going to put the camera in, we're going to put the iPad in, apply the battery, and be ready for an event in about a minute. Are we ready? Here we go. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to take our camera. Camera is an R100. I'm going to take the locking bolt here. I'm going to put in just a couple screws, right like that. Back side, I'll put the camera in the hole, slide it forward, and continue to finish tightening. Next, I'm going to open the side here. On this, I'm going to find the USB-C port, plug it in. I now have communications wired through to the hub, ready for the iPad. Now, this is where the competitors use hardware, not at Mobibooth. We believe in magnetic interfaces, makes it super simple. I'm going to take my iPad Pro, then put the USB-C cable right in there, install it, ready to go. No alignments, no bolt, snap it on. We now are ready to apply power. I've got a USB-C and a USB-A cable here. USB-C goes into my charger that applies power to my iPad. And then I'm going to apply power to my ring light, putting the USB-A in. At startup, we will see a sequence of lights run through. Once you get to the rainbow, you know that the unit is fully ready to be used. Open your favorite photo booth app and you are ready to go. It is that easy. No hardware circus here. Magnetic makes it easy, fast, and reliable for you and your attendants. If you'd like to learn more about the Mobibooth Cruise M, give us a call, 1-800-731-6485.